Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Sanity. Attention. Sanity. Attention. Lift up. Hands over up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Sanity. Attention. Sanity. Attention. Let's do that one. Let's go up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Sanity. Attention. Sanity. Attention. Let's go up. Let's go back. Inside. Hands up. Clap. Inside. Hands down. Now if you believe how you stand.
The bag there in this one. Adhikari. Oh boy. Keep. Let's go up. Inside. And see. Attention. Now if you breathe how it's going. Attention. 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 I'd like to welcome the speaker of today's speech.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to respected principal sir, teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Nishan Bhatta from grade 6, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech about my memorable day. Now my topic was like this, my memorable day. Memory is the thing that we keep in our mind for permanently. Many of the people have their own memorable days. Some of the memory can be bad or good. I also have memorable day. It was on post 23rd. It was a family trip to Kalinchok. I woke up at 6 a.m. and became ready to go Kalinchok. We went to Kalinchok at 7 a.m. We stopped at many places. It was a 5-hour trip. At 3 p.m. we came to Kalinchok. We booked 2 rooms of hotel and stayed for 1 day. We woke up at 5 a.m. and went for Kalinchok Bhagwati temple. We went there in cable car. It was located on top of a mountain. There was too cold. After worshipping the god, we came back home. That was my memorable. Thank you. Have a nice day.
आदरणीय उपप्राध्यापकज्यू, उपस्थित गुरुवर्ग र सम्पूर्ण मेरा साथीहरूमा सर्वप्रथम म कक्षा 8 को छात्र दीपक बोहराको तर्फबाट स्वीकार्नुहोस् न नमस्कार। आज म मेरो जीवनको अविस्मरणीय दिनको बारेमा भन्न गइरहेको छु। मेरो अविस्मरणीय दिन थियो अछामको रामारसुन गाउँदेखि काठमाडौँसम्मको यात्रा। यो विगत 3 वर्ष पहिलाको कुरा हो। मेरो परिवारमा मेरा दाजुसँग मलाई पनि पढाइको सिलसिलामा काठमाडौँ पठाउने भन्ने कुरा निर्णय भयो। मलाई काठमाडौँ पठाउने भन्ने निर्णय गर्दा म निकै उत्साहित भएको थिएँ। मलाई काठमाडौँ सहर कस्तो होला भन्ने लागिरहेको थियो। अन्तिममा हामी काठमाडौँ जान हिँड्यौँ। करिब 4 देखि 5 घण्टाको पैदल यात्रापछि हामी टिकट काट्ने स्थानमा पुग्यौँ। म गाउँमा हुर्केको व्यक्ति, जब बसमा चढ्दा मलाई अलिकति डर र उत्साहित पनि भएको थियो। करिब 800 किलोमिटरको दूरी पार गरेपछि हामी काठमाडौँ पुग्यौँ। जब म काठमाडौँ पुगेपछि यहाँको विकास, उचित शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य, यातायातको सुविधा र भौतिक संरचनाहरू पूर्ण रूपमा निर्माण भएको जस्तो लाग्यो र यस्तो देखेर मलाई मेरो गाउँको याद आयो। हुन त अछाम जिल्ला पनि नेपालको एउटा भाग हो, त्यहाँ किन विकास भएको छैन भन्ने मलाई लाग्यो। यदि त्यहाँ पनि विकासका पूर्वधारहरूको व्यवस्था भएको भए हामीलाई उचित शिक्षा प्राप्त गर्न यहाँसम्म आउनुपर्ने थिएन भन्ने मलाई लाग्यो। हुन त यो जिल्ला बाहेक नेपालका धेरै जिल्लामा विकास भएको छैन। यस्ता अविकसित क्षेत्रमा नेपाल सरकारको पनि ध्यान जाओस् भन्दै आजको मेरो यो जीवनको अविस्मरणीय दिनलाई समाप्त गर्दै यस मञ्चबाट बिदा हुन्छु। धन्यवाद। हजुरको दिन शुभ होस्।
आदरणीय प्रधानाध्यापकज्यू, गुरुवर्ग, दाइ दिदी, भाइ बहिनी तथा मेरा प्यारा साथीहरू, म कक्षा 8 को छात्र सुशील चन्दको सबैमा न्यानो नमस्कार। म आज मेरो अविस्मरणीय दिनको बारेमा भन्न यस मञ्चमा उपस्थित भएको छु। हजुरहरूको अमूल्य समय खेर नफाली म मेरो शीर्षक सुरु गर्न चाहन्छु। यो करिब 2 वर्ष अगाडिको कुरा हो। मेरो 6 कक्षाको परीक्षा सकाएर बिदा भएको थियो। त्यस बेला म 4 वर्ष लामो समयपछि गाउँ गइरहेको थिएँ। बिदा भएको भोलिपल्ट म र मेरी आमा टिकट काट्न गयौँ र म मेरो दाइसँगै जाने कुरा भयो। भोलिपल्ट म तयार भएर 11 बजीतिर बस पार गएँ र दाइलाई कुरे 12:30 बजे मेरो दाइ आउनु भएर हामी 1 बजे बसमा चढ्यौँ। लामो समयपछि गाउँ जाँदा मलाई अलिकति डरसँगै उत्साह पनि भइरहेको थियो। बसमा चढिसकेपछि मैले विभिन्न जङ्गल, नदीनाला, तालतलैया, झरझरनाहरूको अवलोकन गरेँ। बर्दिया राष्ट्रिय निकुञ्ज हुँदै जाँदा मैले बसभित्रैबाट हात्ती, चितुवा र जराए जस्ता जनावर पनि हेर्न पाएँ। त्यस्तै प्राकृतिक सुन्दरतासँग रमाउँदै गाडीमा करिब 43 घन्टा बिताएर 9 जिल्ला कटाएर अन्तिममा म मेरो स्वर्ग जस्तो गाउँ, मेरो जन्मस्थल बैतडी पुगेँ। धन्यवादहरू। हजुरहरूको दिन शुभ होस्।
Let's cover up and side hands up, hands side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now I'd like to welcome our Bhaisha sir to give some information.
Thank you, Raju. Stand at ease. Yukesh and Ayush, you are not focusing. You are in the assembly. Attention. Cover up. Go a little bit back. Keep distance. Keep distance, everybody. Lakshmi, where are you? You are in assembly. You follow the rules and regulations. And side. Hands up. Straight your hands. And side. Hands down. Steady. Follow the steps. Attention. Steady. So welcome back all the students. So you have got 10 days vacation. I hope you might have enjoyed and might have done something special in your life. Very soon we'll be able to hear in this month, in this spot, about your memorable days. We have provided you some vacation homeworks. Don't forget to submit today, because punctuality it counts. If you are able to submit today, you will get full marks. And if you start submitting a bit late, then you will not get full marks. Matter is like that. It is mandatory to submit all the works. You cannot escape it. You should not make any stories. What is given for doing? You have to complete and submit. And from today, our final term's syllabus will begin. Very soon, we will complete our syllabus and go through revision classes. From coming Sunday, we will have sports week. Are you excited for it or not? Definitely we are going to conduct very, very fascinating games. So we will take the name list, opening ceremony, closing ceremony, and then rewarding ceremony. It will go for 1 week. Let's see what type of games will be suitable for you. We'll decide. And we have to keep in mind, one student should take or can take maximum 4 to 5 games only. Is that clear or not? So we'll see the number of games and make the rules and regulations. Still, the cold has not gone. Please be safe from cold. Don't forget to wear warm clothes. And don't forget to eat warm dishes. Healthy and hygienic food. And follow the classroom rules. At the beginning of the school, in 2018, we have made many more classroom rules. Just go through them, whether you are following them or not. If you are following, that means you are up to date. You are obedient. If you are not following, please start following right now onwards. Attention, power up, and side, and soft. Clap together in the rhythm. And side, hands down. Steady. Attention. You are not following the steps in. Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. Oh, Sushil. What happened? And side. Do it together. It is also a kind of exercise. Do it together. Hello, class 10 girls. Okay, class to dogs, forward.